Hello, Karin. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone watching.
Karin, as you know, I've worked many years in the manufacturing industry. And during my time there, I came across many people who got a promotion, a new title, more money, and they consider themselves to be very successful from a professional standpoint, at least. However, when I spoke with some of them one-on-one, they didn't come across very happy. What can you tell us about this?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, the chase after success, achieving more and more things, and actually getting the feeling that when we get there, then we are good enough. Or when we reach a certain level, we have enough. And this feeling actually never stops, no matter how successful people become. And I think many people lose themselves in the process of it. They never stop because they are obviously busy to think about what is truly important for me. Am I happy where I'm at? Do I need to adjust my career path a little bit to get where I want to be? So I think that's the biggest thing. And if I could give one piece of maybe unsolicited advice is to tell people who watch to ask themselves, am I where I'm meant to be? And don't ever think it's too late to make any changes. It's never too late uh, to to explore what else is in the books for you. Because I believe we all have a special gift to share, and we owe it to the world to bring this special gift to the world. And yeah, people lose themselves in the process of life. I
Oh,
think that's what it is.
those are great insights. People get lost; they lose themselves in this process.
Mhm.
This was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.